What is better than having the right tool to clean out your T-slots? Well, not needing to clean out your T-slots, ever. Making chips is a lot of fun. The sound and even the smell of the metal as it is thrown from the block is mesmerizing. Cleaning up the mess is not nearly as entertaining. Clearing the top of our table is not so bad. A few swipes of a brush and we are good. But then we are left to clean our T-slots. Making use of a T-slot tool designed for the job is worlds better than using our air gun, like a screwdriver to push out the chips. Now, this tool certainly makes a dirty job more efficient and less of a chore, but it is still a chore. Here is our same part, tossing those same chips onto our table. It is still fun to watch, but this time we have installed high-temp silicone T-slot covers. And they do look good, but let's not forget their purpose.
Oh, no way. Oh, no way.
That most famous of CNC machinists, Peter Drucker, once told us that there is nothing so useless as doing efficiently that which should not be done at all. We know that the best process is no process, and that we should not be spending our time cleaning T-slots, no matter how good we have gotten at it. We've cleaned our last T-slot. This is how we can make it happen. These silicone T-slot covers come in different widths. We've got 14 millimeters, 9/16 for our smaller machines and our rotary products. And we've got 16 millimeter, 5/8 of an inch wide for our standard machine T-slots. We can cut the covers to length with just about any knife. But my tool of choice is actually just a simple PVC pipe cutter. It cuts through the silicone cleanly and keeps our ends nice and square. We want to coat our T-slots with a rust preventative before installing the covers. Now, WD-40 is just fine. Today, I am using a Castrol Rustillo DW90HF. It's the rust preventative we use the most here at the factory, and I like it. Now, this light oil helps with the installation as well, so don't skip it. Now, for better long-term rust prevention, we can use a thicker RP like LPS3. Look how clean this looks, especially around our probe. No chips are going to get in there. We can even cut the silicone extrusion into smaller plugs to keep chips away from our vise hardware. It's so pretty that you'd think that this was just a cosmetic upgrade, but remember, it serves a real purpose. It makes machine cleanup a snap. Again, this is without our T-slot covers, and this is with them.
Oh, no way.
Now, this is absolutely a product we can all get behind. I mean, be honest. How many times have you thought about filling those T-slots with something, anything to keep the chips out? Well, if you are thinking about covers for your machines, head to HaasTooling.com and search for T-slot covers. You'll find everything you need. All of these tips are meant to make your life easier as an operator and programmer. And I hope we've done that today, pointed you in a direction that will make your life as an operator easier. That's it. Thanks for watching this Haas Tip of the Day.